In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to open a Figma file in your browser so you can quickly access your designs and start working without installing anything. Start by opening your web browser and going to figma.com. This is the main entry point for everything in Figma. Once you're there, sign into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is where all your files, drafts, and shared projects live. Take a moment to get familiar with this area because it's your central workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see navigation options that help you move between drafts, teams, and projects. If you're trying to open a specific file, click on All Projects in the sidebar. This will show you a full list of projects you have access to. From there, select a project to view the files inside it. Think of this like opening a folder on your computer. If you already know the name of the file, you can save time by using the search bar at the top. Just type in the file name or a keyword, and Figma will quickly surface matching results. This is especially helpful if your workspace has a lot of files. Once you find the file you're looking for, simply click on it. The file will open directly in your browser in the Figma editor. From here, you can view the design, make edits if you have permission, or leave comments if you're collaborating with others. If someone shared a Figma file with you via a link, you can also open it by clicking that link. It will take you straight into the file, as long as you have the right access permissions. Figma also offers templates if you're not opening an existing file but want to start something new. You can browse these from the dashboard and open them the same way with a single click. Keep in mind that some files, especially larger ones with lots of images or complex layers, might take a few seconds to load. That's normal, so just give it a moment. Once the file is open, you can navigate between pages, zoom in and out, and explore the layout. If you're new to Figma, try clicking around to get comfortable with how everything is structured. And that's it. By logging into Figma, navigating your dashboard, and clicking on a file or link, you can quickly open any Figma file right in your browser and start working right away.